What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today we are flying up north to go and see some of my cars, some of my friends, and my family. There is one car in particular that has been on the channel for a while now, and that car has now been painted. So I am absolutely over the moon about this because it has been a bit of a process, and I'll get more into that later. But let's pack our bags. Busy night. And sorry to interrupt the B-roll, but thanks to Brisbane Airport and Jetstar, I only just made my flight, so I didn't film anything. The camera was the last thing I was worried about because there was a crash just before the entrance to the airport, so everyone got stuck in that. The airport was under construction, so the Jetstar check-in was in like a temporary donga. My bags went over with all the weight. And then going through customs and screening, ran to my flight, just got on it. Yeah, it's been an eventful morning, so apologies, but hey, I'm here. I'm in sunny Cairns. It's fucking hot, very humid, and it's early in the morning, so it's only gonna get worse, but good to be back home. First up, we are en route currently to go have a look at my S13. Let's go. Lucky enough to have scammed my dad into borrowing his Hilux, which is a bit of a tow rig. So we've got a trusty steed for the weekend. We are pulling up now. This is the first time I've been to my buddy Eric's new shop. I'm intrigued, and I'm also intrigued to see my car for the first time. I don't even know where his shop is. Oh, there it is. Everything's down for the suspense. Let's go see an S13 for the first time. Alright, so I've decided that we're going to roll it out first and then have a look at it in the sun because it looks sick so far, but out in the sun it's going to be a completely different car, so let's do that now. Yeah, nah, she got nothing. Fuck, that sounds shit. Come on.
Moments later.
Alright, I'm looking at it in the sun. We moved it, we had dramas with the battery. A bit sweaty now, but looking at it in the sun for the first time, this just looks amazing. There is a lot to do still, don't get me wrong, but this is the first transformation. And here comes our very angry lift. So there it is. It's still very rough. We need to clean it. Hasn't been polished, detailed, anything yet. The car is loaded up. We're gonna take it to James's, gonna muck around with it a bit more. Again, the fitment on the kit, the wheels, all that, nothing is, it's just been thrown together. It's held by zip ties. So I'm gonna dial in the fitment a bit more at James's, do a bit of mucking around with it, make it a bit more presentable for our annual Northern Beer Festival that's coming up. That's why I'm up here. And also to sort out 600 million other things, but we're gonna go unload it at James's, and then I've gotta go see another car that I bought. So stay with me in the video. I've had this one for a while, but it's I haven't even seen it yet, so I'm still keen to see that. We've got a lot going on. Following this thing on a trailer is so cool. Oh, it just has an aura about it. Love this car. like that, we have arrived at James's. What a place. I miss this so much. Incredible.
I took it home and then I found it home.
Because I'm camming it.
It looks pretty cool, not gonna lie. Let's go get lunch.
Alright, I've just pulled up now. I'm walking into my shed. And I can see an old friend. A car that's already been on the channel before. And it's parked in front of another car. I'm not gonna bang on in a big reveal about this one. But this is my 180 SX. Now this really doesn't look like much, and it is a huge project, but I got this for such a good deal that I couldn't pass it up, so I now have all of the S chassis. Which is something I never thought I would say, but I'm very happy to say it. I'm a massive S chassis guy. The 180 SX is probably one of my favorite S chassis, and the irony in it being the last one that I got is pretty funny. Don't have that problem anymore. This is my 180. Now, although it looks very rough currently, the rails are straight, it's not rusted in any of the big spots, just surface rust. Comes with an engine drivetrain, it actually runs apparently, but I'm not going to be doing that. It's a DE, S13 DE. So, I have a car that needs this engine. And we'll get to that later, and maybe in another video. But yes, it runs, it drives, kind of. It's super rough, but it's clean. Deal I couldn't pass up. So this will be a very cool street car. I'll throw a VCT SR in it, put a kit on it, paint it, make it look nice. And then, yeah, it gives me an engine for this thing. So I've actually had this car for a couple of months now, and this is the first time I'm seeing it in person. So I've slowly been acquiring parts for this already. So I actually just shot off the other day to get a whole S15 dash. So I've got the top part of it too. We've got our center console, lower surround, gear shifter, glove box, all of that. So this will have a cool S15 dash in it, which you don't see too many people doing, and I just think it changes the car. I've got a Type X taillight garnish already that I've just had sitting for years because, funny enough, my friends gave it to me a while ago because they're like, oh, you're probably going to own a 180 at one point in your life, and here I am, now's the time. So, lucky guess. But no, heaps of cool parts for it already. This is actually my old cluster out of my S15 that I've already thrown in this dash, but super keen. And then the beautiful Rex Callaway tubs I've acquired for this, and I've also acquired a pair for the 8.6 because I love this car and I can't wait to start on it. But I'll tub the bay, throw a cool SR in it, paint it, and make it just a very cool street car. But this is still a while off, but hey, at least I got one now, so it can sit as long as it needs, because I have got so many other projects that I need to get to. And a quick update on the 8.6 as well too. My absolute favorite car that I own. So sad that I have not really touched it yet. Last time I played around with it, we did the Truno headlights. It's got the bonnet fitted, which is like some J Blood bonnet, something super rare. I don't know, you're not gonna be able to see it there. J Blood Racing, which is an old Japanese company. So sick. So we got tubs for this. Engine's not in it anymore. If you remember, it actually came with a 1UZ, so that's where this comes in. Already has an S13 subframe converted on it, so that engine will bolt right onto this. And we'll see what else we need to do to it, but again, that's going to be a later project. But I love this car so much. This one also got flooded too, so I need to do some cleaning. Look at the doors, so sad. Here are my tubs for it. Got some harnesses to go in this cage because it's also fully caged, but it's a bit of a bare bones at the moment, but just such a cool car with the 5-stud converted R33 brakes, S14 rear subframe and Shockworks coilovers, S13 front subframe with Shockworks coilovers, and then 5-stud converted as well. Just so many goodies this car has, and it just sits here and it pains me, but we can get it running one day soon. As much as I'd love to stare at this car all day and that new car all day, which I didn't really go over that much, but there's nothing too much to go over anyway, but that'll be a later project. I've got to call it for this day, and I've got to start to get ready because tomorrow we have got our beer festival, which is our annual event. I will see you tomorrow. Good morning. It is another day now. This is the day of our beer festival. Get together in one location and get absolutely hammered. It's the best people around, and it's always, I guess, one of the best events of the year up here, I think. All of the friends, we're all super close, so always look forward to it. So that's the main reason why I've been up here. So yesterday we were going crazy prepping. Got my S13 put back together a lot better. Looks a bit more presentable as a flooded car can look. And we're heading down the hill now to go set up the event too. Now I just stopped to get a coffee on the way down the hill because I've still got about an hour drive and I can't function without coffee anyway. And the girl behind the counter says, do you make Skyline videos? And I said yes, because close enough anyway. And she's like, oh, my partner watches you all the time. So shout out to both of you guys. And also thanks for watching. I made my day and it's a good coffee. All right, I will update you when I am down there.
2 hours later.
We are finally here now. Pulling up after a very long trip. This driveway is gonna suck for all the low cars. But they can get it with angles. I've done it on my S15 before. Also cracked my front bumper on it. Oh, I wanted to get here way earlier, but I didn't. Anyway, we're here. We got the setup. Woo-hoo-hoo! Very cool. I need to go drop some stuff off here and get my S13 sorted out. I am already sweating. It's like 9:30 in the morning. It's hot, but my 13 is down here. It's put together. We're setting up a bit more before everyone gets here, but this is the first time I've seen my car all together with the front bumper on, the wheels on, the grille in, mirrors in. It's still by no means is this finished, but far out. This is so cool to see. Considering from what this car has been through, I never thought it would be looking like this again. I'm so happy. I painted the rear diffuser too because that was cracked. It's still missing the middle garnish there. That hasn't been painted. Mirrors haven't been painted either, and it still needs to be polished, and it's got like some runs in the paint, some imperfections, but oh, look at this thing. Oh, this car's been through so much. I'm so happy. Look at this thing. Look at this bloke.
What's up, boy?
You just ran over my phone. I wish I was kidding. The camera down for a bit because we've still got more setting up to do. But once everyone gets here, I'll be back. Let's go.
Hey guys, Aaron Ritchie here with my Barron River Edition S13.
Hey, what's up, guys? What's up, guys?
Fuck you, Aaron. Piece of shit.
better film this now before I get too late into the day. But the event's on now, everyone's rocking up, so I'm just gonna end the video with a bit of a B-roll. And if you made it to the end, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content. I'll see you shortly.
Hey, what's up guys? Just here at Northway Hangs, hanging out with all my boilies. So it's a pretty good day here, beautiful day here in sunny, funny far north Queensland, as you can see. We're actually down here at Shred Lynch, smoking some durries with Mr. Daniel Drift, pro drifter by the way. He's on his off season, as you can tell, elite athlete, punching darts like a real man. We only smoked that 7-star JDM shit, but anyway, as you can see, I'm surrounded by Japanese cars. It actually feels like I'm in Japan right now. Boom, import, 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 import.
Shut up, cunt.
Anyway, I'm here at fucking Tokyo fucking something. And yeah, so stay tuned for more content. Make sure you like and subscribe. And yeah, stay tuned for more content. Boom.